Welcome back, my people. Straight out of Nairobi.
On this Nairobi street. This is Archives Nairobi.
Wow, getting this shot wasn't just easy, it was dramatic. They chased me. Enjoy the video till the end to enjoy more. Don't know if you're gonna get those streets. Stress business. You're gonna like, you're gonna subscribe, you're gonna share, you're gonna enjoy the video. So you're gonna walk along and enjoy these things. If it's there, if it's not there, you're gonna come. Wow. Sorry.
Agora tirei essa jaribu kufika ndani ya nyumba mapema kidogo.
Hello. Look at this. I hope you can hear me now. Coming live from this place is called the Archives Nairobi. Yeah, you're gonna know, so you're gonna understand. Yeah. So let's walk up on this Nairobi street. This is Archives Nairobi. So people are so many. This is where people converge mostly. At least I take you through a sneak intake of this. Yeah, this the street, like you see, the archives. Don't know if you see the Kenya National Archives, where the Kenyan history is. Yeah, like preserved. Yeah. So majorly people are doing shoots here. Yeah, shoots. And just converging, meeting here before going to different places. So we head to downtown, Welcome to this video. You're gonna like, you're gonna subscribe, you're gonna share, you're gonna enjoy the video. Subscribe, you're gonna share, you're gonna enjoy the video. Uptown, Nairobi and down. I mean the jam everywhere, The busy street, chaotic, guys. So let's get along here in Nairobi. I walk you through there. You miss them grapes, but there we gonna explore. Just to get some 4K walk. I don't know if you're gonna get those streets. Stress business. So you're gonna walk along and enjoy these things. If it's there, if it's not there, you're gonna come.
And boom, wow. Thank you for hanging along. I was waiting for this moment, This is in downtown Nairobi, Yeah, River Road. I got the shots. Yeah. While I was there, all they could show was signs using the hands, like the fingers. 3 means 300 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, you get the service. Yeah, let's work. Oh. And boom,
Yes, guys, we're along River Road. They sell at 300 a shot. You know. Ah.
Just to get some 4K walk. I don't know if you're gonna get those streets. Yeah, first business. Villa Rosa Kempins. This is my territory. Hello, welcome to Westlands night. Let's go. Yeah, see the neon light. Let's explore more. Let me switch the video to you. You enjoy the vibe. Yeah, guys, see this. I want you to enjoy the food. See that building, see that one. Let's lighten a bit. Yeah, wow, this is Westlands Nairobi. See the lights,